Hi friends, in the previous video of the consonants, we discussed about explodents. In these explodents, we have 8 types: P, B, T, D, J, J, K, G. These are called as straight strokes. We discussed about explodents in the previous video. So I told in the previous video we have 6 types in the consonants. Okay, we are done with explodents. Now we will move to continuants. Okay. So continuants, again in this we have 8 types, 8 types of strokes. Okay, those are F, V, it, the, S, G, ish, Z. Okay, these are another 8 strokes in the continuants. These are called continuants, and these are called as curved strokes. Curved strokes. I told explodents are called as straight strokes, and now continuants are called as curved strokes. Okay, in this first one is F. Okay, F. So imagine there is one big circle like this. I told in the previous video that every stroke must be 1/6 of an inch. You take like this. See, imagine this is circle like this. F. F. Okay, it should be 1/6 of an inch from here to here. Okay, it is light stroke. F, 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 like this. Spell it outside and practice one complete page. Okay, so that it will be practice for you. So as I told in the previous video, you should practice only in broad rule book. Okay, F, F. So F I am writing like this curve. That curve form should be visible. Okay, so that if I make this curved circle like this, it should form a complete circle. Okay, like this. See, F, F, F. F is light stroke. Okay, and another second one is continuance is V. It is heavy stroke. It is same like F, but this is written in FV format. Okay, we should press the pencil little bit. Okay, V, 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 V. Okay, so practice this V one complete page. Okay, after that ith, ith. Okay, th also will be called. So it is light stroke. The pronunciation of this is ith, ith. Okay, so if I take one circle, so if I put like this, start from here and come down like this. So same like opening bracket. Okay, so how will write opening bracket? Like this will write, so that it looks only 1/6 of an inch like this. Okay, it, we should not write like this. Okay, this is not perfect form. So like this it should be it from top to bottom. Okay, top to bottom. So F also from top to bottom. V, that is. Okay, F also from top to bottom, down strokes. Okay, so in this we have down strokes and up strokes and horizontal strokes like this. It is light stroke. Okay, it. Pronounce it and practice. Okay, after that we have the, THEE or TH. It will become the. Okay, it is heavy stroke. Okay, same like it, but it will be written heavy stroke. The, 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 the. Okay, practice one complete page. So after that we have S. Okay, ES. Okay, it will be pronounced as S. So it is light stroke. So imagine there is one circle. You put like this. So it we are writing like this, light stroke. D also we are writing like this, heavy stroke. So S, it will be looking like closing bracket. Okay, so like this from top to bottom. See the arrow mark from top to bottom. Okay, S. So it should look like closing bracket. S. It is light stroke as I told. S. S, 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 S. Okay. After S we have Z. Okay. This Z is pronunciation is little bit confused with Z and Z. Another thing we'll get in the third one here. Z. This is called a Z. Z, or we can call it as Z. Okay. It is heavy stroke. Okay. It is S G. You can call it as G. G. Okay. G. So it will be looking like same like S, but it is written heavy stroke. Okay. Same like closing bracket. It is heavy stroke. G. 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 Okay. After that we have SH. SH. It will be pronounced as ish. Okay. Ish. 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 Okay. It is light stroke. Okay. So imagine there is one circle like this. F we are writing like this. Okay. F, as I told in the previous. V we write like this. So now ish will be like this. Right side from here to down. See the arrow mark like this. So light stroke. Ish. You should form a perfect curve. You should not write like this. The curve form should be visible. Okay. Ish. 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 See the arrow mark from top to bottom. These are called downstroke. I'll tell in the coming videos which is downstroke and which is upstroke and which is horizontal stroke, and I'll tell the arrow marks also. Now only I'll tell. Listen. After this video, I'll tell the arrow marks in which position we should write. Okay. After H we have ZHEE. That is called as Z. ZH. Z. Ish. Z. See, this is G. Ish. Z. 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 ZHEE. Z. So if you want examples, I can tell. Treasure. Treasure. In treasure we have Z sound. Vision is vision. In vision we have Z sound. Okay, like this. Z. It is heavy stroke. So it will be written same like ish, but it looks like heavy. So little bit we should press the pencil and write. Okay. So for writing shorthand, if you write with pencil, it looks good. Okay. Rather than using pen, with pencil you can know easily which is light stroke and which is heavy stroke. Okay. Z. 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 Done. So now these are all the 8 types in the continuance. What are those? We'll see from starting. F. Okay. After F we have V. Okay. After that it. After that D. After that S. After that G. After that ish. After that Z. Okay na? Now I'll tell from beginning. See.